Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the image and placing it where you can find it immediately. Pick a JPEG or PNG at a resolution near your screen size so it won't stretch. This preserves sharpness. Once done, open Personalization or Display Settings on Windows, right-click the desktop. On Mac OS, go to System Settings. Make sure you have access to the folder with the image. Now, proceed to select the wallpaper option so you can assign that file directly. You now select Background and choose Picture, then click Browse to pick the saved file. After selection, use the Fit menu to control scaling, Fill enlarges, Fit preserves full image, Span covers multiple monitors. If your system offers cropping or rotation, make small adjustments so focal points stay visible. Once you like the preview, apply the change. Make sure to check multi-monitor behavior. If images misalign, try Span or set each monitor's wallpaper individually. Finish by confirming the wallpaper remains after a restart. Some sync services or policies can revert changes. If it looks blurry, you likely need a higher resolution image. Replace it or switch the fit to fill or center to prevent scaling artifacts. If the system won't accept the file, move it into your Pictures folder or run the personalization app with elevated permissions, then reapply. One key troubleshooting tip: when corporate policies block changes, check your account type or contact IT to allow personal wallpapers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.